This is Jason Seeley here with yet another tutorial. Today's tutorial shall feature the setting up of roaming profile. The roaming profile is a shared network location where personal settings are stored. When users logged into their workstation, they access their roaming profile at this location. All customization of basic settings such as desktop display is stored on a roaming profile. And after each log off, the network location, which is usually on a server, is updated with all modifications. So basically that is what a roaming profile is. To set up a roaming profile, we would go to Start, Administrative Tools, Users and Computers. Okay, but before we do that, we need to create the folder. So you'll go to Start, Computer, Local Disk C, and you will add a new folder here. We'll name our folder Profile, and then we will share this folder. So you'll share the folder to everyone, and you'll make co-owners. Okay, click done here. You need to do is go back into this, go to properties, we're going to sharing, advanced, but we need to just copy the network part, copy, say okay. Now we could actually go to our Active Directory users and computers, and we're going to add a new user. So in Active Directory, we click on users, and in a free spot we click on new and new user, and you'll set up a basic account, a user, okay. Now we go to properties of this user, and we go to profile. Under profile path, we will paste the network location of the folder, and what we need to do now, we need to backslash percentage sign user name percentage sign. What this does is it actually sets the network path for the user when it logs in. By putting a username here, any user that logs on, their name will actually take this path. So for example, if I click apply here, you'll see it actually changed to user 1, which is the name of our user. We click OK, and our roaming profile is set up. So we would now go to one of our client machines and log in and make some changes, and then log off and log into another client machine to see if our roaming profile changes took effect. Okay, so we can close this for now, minimize that, and let's go to our client machine. So we have our client machine here. The OS on this client machine is Windows 7, and you will log in here for the first time. So have our Windows 7 system logged in here. As you can see, user 1 is logged in. What we're going to do is we're going to personalize the desktop. So we're going to personalize. Okay, so we're going to let's personalize this background. Let's use a solid color. Just going to use something like this gray here. Some changes. Close. And what we're going to also do is create a new a new text document, and we're going to name this first use. So we're just going to go into first use, and we're going to just type please check. And we're gonna save it. We're gonna close, and we're just gonna log out of this Windows 7 client, and we're gonna log in to our Vista client. Allow the changes to be saved. When you log out here, and if we bring back up the server, you'll notice something. If we bring back up the server and you go back to our local disk and you go back into the file, the folder profiles, you will see that a modification took place here. A file by the name of user1.v2 was created, and each time that changes are made to the anyone roaming profile, this personal file would be updated. So there will be a file inside this folder here for each user that roaming profile is set up for. Okay, so we just minimize this again for now, and let's go to our Vista client. So we're going to log in to our Vista machine here. Alright, gonna log in. So if we go to our first use document, we see please check, and you will just come here and said see, and we will save these changes. So our roaming profile is actually working fine, and let's change the color back on our personalized. Let's change our background color, and let's change it to black. Actually, let's change it to a shade of blue. Say okay. Come over here and let's log off, and let's log back onto our Vista machine, our Windows 7 machine, and see which changes did in fact take place. So we see the background is now blue on our Windows 7 machine, and let's see if our document was updated. Yes, our document was updated. So this is how you set up a roaming profile, and join me again for future tutorials. Thank you.